This is my MM2 video.
So pangit.
Melon. Coco Melon, I'm your biggest fan. Please, autograph.
Ang pangit niya.
Lodo.
Outfit.
Autograph, please. Coco Melon. Coco Martin.
Coco Melon. Tapos si Coco. Ano? Coco ano ba? Coco Martin. Uy, no.
Coco
I'm
Martin.
so rich.
Eh, that's I made that outfit eh.
No, it's just a fake MMC, but it looks so cool.
Pa-autograph.
Uy, hindi siya totoo. Ang pangit niya.
Oy. Pa-autograph, please.
Uy, hindi. Kalbo siya eh.
Kalbo talaga. Sige
Ay,
ba?
hindi. Parang,
Yay!
sige ba?
Picture. Yun, pa-picture. Let's go. Pa-picture ako.
Pangit niya.
Ah!
Pangit niya sa mga kalbo.
Oy,
Sheriff, ano?
you sheriff?
Ala.
Sheriff. Okay, I'll help.
Uy, palit kayo. Haha.
Pa-autograph ka. Oh, cool gun. Is this legendary? Huh? Is this gun legendary?
Ala.
Oh, you're murderer.
Okay.
Lia's murdered in fake MM2.
Wow.
Ah!
Time to get
That guy is black.
Yes.
Black Edward. Babalik sa Manila. I'll hide here. La! Ay hulog! Ulo! Coco Martin pa autograph.
Nabalik.
Coco Martin pa autograph please.
Ay, guys.
Sige kang mamatay dyan. Coco Martin's not murder, of course.
Ay, guys.
Ay, dahil din. Talo.
Yeah.
I'm going to explore.
Yeah.
Oh, so cute.
Why?
Hey, I see you. Ah, Coco Martin. Hello, Coco Martin. Hey. Coco Martin, let's go. Hello, Coco Martin. Baka you're gonna get killed. Oh. Tumatay si Coco Martin. Si KK. Oh? Oh? Sino yan? Sino patay?
Patay. Yung patay.
Ay! Alam ko na! Yung babae na yan! Laking ulo! She's murderer! The big head! See? She really has a big head! Huh? Huh? Patay!
Ah, patay mo.
Oh, she's not the murderer. Don't worry. I'm so good. I thought she's the murderer. Because she's patay. Woo! Yung batang gwapo. Nawala. No.
Ay, day aka. Ay, day.
Yeah, because I shoot the wrong person because She was not the murderer pala. Oh! The murderer?
Ha? Sino? Ah, the master builder.
Ay! Kaya pala! Sabi ko na ba eh! Sumalakad ka. Kaya suspicious. Yay.
Nuggets ako mo. Yummy. Right?
Tunay.
It's nuggets.
Ay,
Ay, hindi isa ba? Diba? Yummy. Yummy? Yummy. It's nuggets.
Tuna!
It's not tuna. Oh, ay. Nak, bad yan ah. Don't do that. Yummy.
Bye. Don't wait to look.
Don't like tuna.
$559. Sub trade. Sub trade.
Magkalat na. Lilipit after.
Sub trade.
Clean up, ha?
Huh?
Autograph mo daw. Please.
Huh?
Autograph mo daw. Autograph. Hindi
Ay.
sabi niya autograph.
yung bawang item sa kabila.
Uy. Okay na sub. Resend ko na lang sa GC. What's that mean? Let's trade.
Okay na daw.
Kuya, let's trade.
Send mo naman daw sa GC namin.
Let's trade. Yay, add items.
Oh, I know.
Biogun.
Ano, that's GC only. Ano. Ano GC?
Bubulan na isa yung
Here. I trade you. Scam ka ba? Scammer ba ikaw?
I don't know.
Pang roller ng dough. Para magkuha ng pizza. Coca-Cola. Pangit tuna.
Oh, ito, egg.
Tuna. Ay. Uy! Train mo. Ano accept? Scammer ka ba? Mag-trade ka muna.
Mag-drawing tayo ng para mag-drawing.
Sige.
Where are you?
Shortcut, he's black. He's racist.
Oh my gosh, you make these cars.
The boy. Ow.
Pero wala na yung araw. Kaya konti na lang. Pag wala ng araw na. Kaya mo rin doon maliit. Di ka naman mabigil na yun.
That's it. That's it for today's video. Goodbye, guys.